nagkaroon ng time na nawala yung self-worth ko.
You know, you have to work to help your husband with the finances, to help prepare finances for your children for their future.
Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, pag age mo ng 35, wala na. Para kasing etsapuera ka na.
And it feels like hindi ko alam kung paano ko mag-gain yung confidence ko. Pag naging mom na sila, parang nawawala na yung career path nila.
Kasi na-fed up ako sa sobrang traffic. So, papasok, dahil madaling araw, either mag-grab ako or mag-aangkas, which is malaki-laki yung expenses.
The time spent with your kids and family are far more important than any job title out there.
Nag-decide ako na maghanap ng online job at nakakuha nga ako. Sobrang saya ko talaga. Kaya tinulungan ko rin yung iba kong mga mommy friends at nagkaroon rin sila ng sarili nilang online job. Kaya doon ako na-inspire at nag-decide na simula ng Filipina home-based moms.
FH Moms Community was created for mothers, for single women, for women professionals and entrepreneurs, for women overseas Filipino workers, for differently abled women, and even for young at heart women. FH Moms is a women community.
Nung nagsimula yung FH Moms, hindi ko in-expect na ganito ka magiging malaki. Ngayon, meron na kaming more than 250,000 members nationwide. Dati, ang tingin ng mga tao sa amin, community lang. No? Ngayon, social enterprise na kami with different projects na tumutulong sa mga kababaihan.
We have free webinars about freelancing, entrepreneurship, parenting, and personal growth. We offer online short courses as well as mastery courses with trainers' 1-year support. We also run a scholarship program and an internship program. We also facilitate charity activities where we are joined by community members as volunteers. Job matching program is something they can also look forward to, as well as e-commerce program. And to celebrate motherhood, we also have online bootcamp for kids. We also have the computer rent-to-own program for members who need assistance in acquiring a computer set. Aspire to be a strong-willed, independent woman.
Mas gusto kong maging productive at saka naniniwala ako sa continuous learning.
Inspire other women.
Everyone was uplifting each other. Everyone was trying to help each other. In this world, you have to be more kind. You have to be more helpful because everyone is fighting their own battles, and you have to understand, you have to empathize. And that is what FH Moms is doing with all the moms out there. Even if you're not a mom, you would feel welcome.
Empower each woman to be in their fullest potential.
And most importantly, Mommy MK and the team model humility and generosity. Talagang ito yung very evident, which impacted me the most. So it gave me the desire to share freely to others what I learned freely from the FH Moms community. And I've always loved the community, the motive of the community, that is to change the world one mom at a time. Good job, FH Mom.
Aspire, inspire, empower. Nothing is stronger than a community of women lifting each other up.
To be among women who have genuinely tried to help people. This is something that I feel passionately about, and then this is something that I saw in FH Moms.
God is good. Kasi parang naturo sa akin to FH Moms na pinakita sa akin na kahit nasa bahay ka, kahit nag-aalaga ka ng anak mo, it won't stop na dun ka lang. Yun lang yung pwede mong gawin.
Without this community, I'm not here in this situation. So, FH Moms po yung nag-guide and nag-mold sa akin to be the best working at home mom I could ever be.
Ang pinakamalaking impact sa FH Moms sa akin is their quote, which is moving forward, giving back. That's the very essence of FH Moms eh.
That's what I like about this group kasi we encourage and inspire each other to keep dreaming, to chase our dreams. It's actually a big impact kasi if you are losing hope and wala ka ng gana and all, but because of this page, mapapasana all ka.
Dahil sa online job, natupad ko yung mga pangarap ko at Ang pinakapangarap ko na lang ay matupad yung pangarap ng lahat ng mga mommies. Huwag tayong titigil na abutin lahat ng mga pangarap natin, masipagan pa natin at huwag tayong susuko. Kaya kung feeling nyo hindi kayo techie, feeling nyo hindi pasok ang edad nyo para dito sa online freelancing, huwag nyong iisipin yon kasi sobrang daming opportunities ang pwedeng ibigay sa inyo online. At nandito ang Filipina Home-Based Moms para suportahan kayo. Para sa mga naghahanap ng online job at gusto ring matuto pagdating sa online business, you can join Filipina Home-Based Moms Facebook group. My name is MK Bertulfo, CEO and founder of Filipina Home-Based Moms, and our goal is to change lives one mom at a time.
Hi everyone, good evening po. This is Mommy Jahz po. How are you today? I hope everyone is feeling great. It's a great Saturday again, full of learnings today. So before we start, let me check. I just want to have a shout out po kay Mommy Norly. She's watching from Tagum. Wow, that's in Mindanao. Tama ba ako? Yeah, so how are you feeling today? Hi, Mommy LM. So, we have watching from Davao. Also, hi, Mommy Regina. So, we also have from Parañaque. Hi, Mommy Mary May. And also, yes po, hi po, good evening po, Mommy Joe. And we have a lot of mommies today. So exciting. So, hi po, Mommy Farah. And good evening din po, Mommy Joanne. So, meron pa tayong mga taga Batangas dito. So, for those, hi, Mommy Janovan, Aisel. Ayan ha, nag-shoutout na ako. Oh, meron tayo din from Binyan, Laguna. Hi po. And also, do we have someone from, oh yes, hi, Mommy Lovely Pinky from Batangas. Hello po. Yeah, I think she's familiar. Parang iisang school yata yung pinapasukan ng anak namin. Hi po, good evening po. And also, wow, marami tayong taga Batangas din from Balaya, from Santo Tomas. Hello po, thank you po for taking your time to watch. Hi po, Mommy Michelle from Batangas also, and from Mommy Madeline Ann from Balayan, Batangas. Wow, masarap ang bagoong dyan. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam dyan po, masarap ang bagoong. And Mommy Joda from Pampanga, hello po. Wow, we have Mommy Shang from Baguio City. Hello po, Mommy, kamusta po sa Baguio? So siguro po napakalamig na rin po doon. Ano po, lagi naman pong malamig. So malamang mas malamig po ngayon. Anyways po, so I hope everyone po is feeling excited and feeling great today. Kasi this is another webinar wherein you will have a lot of knowledge again. So eto, malamang po yung iba nakakapanood na, but then I just want to take this opportunity po to share this webinar again because we have new members also na hindi pa napapanood. So this webinar will be an introduction po sa accounting and bookkeeping. So I just want to share with you what is the difference between accounting and bookkeeping. Just to give you an introduction po, I'm Mommy Jahz po from Batangas City. I am the trainer of the accounting and bookkeeping ng mastery course po sa FH Moms. I also have, what do you call this? I'm also a mom, katulad po ninyo. And I just want to share with you din po that when I started, I really don't know what is online jobs. Wala po talaga akong experience when I started my first online job. Nagkataon nung time na yon, ang baon ko lang talaga noon is I have an accounting background because I'm a graduate of BS Accountancy. And no knowledge of anything. Like, I don't know, yun, may alam ng konti sa Microsoft applications like the Word, the Excel, which is normally na ginagamit sa work. But yung matatawag natin na mga software, like for example, Xero, QuickBooks, I really don't have any knowledge when I applied. So, gusto ko lang i-emphasize po sa inyo na even though you do not have the skills when you start, at least you make yourself know or learn these systems. At saka dapat po maalam po talaga kayo or marunong po kayo ng or magkaroon ng background sa accounting, which is, yun naman po ay napapag-aralan. But I have a lot of people or colleagues which are, hindi naman po sila graduate ng accountancy, but then they are doing bookkeeping. So, yun. Ang haba ng introduction. Kaloka. So, ayun. So, let's proceed now with our webinar. So, before I start again, I just want to make this night exciting. So, we have 10 winners to get, what do you call this? Free skill success courses that's up for grabs. So, galingan mamaya sa pagsagot, pabilisan ng pagtatype, galingan nyo mamaya. So, 10 yun. So, in between our webinar, I will ask questions. So, make sure na nag-tune in talaga kayo, nag-listen at may na-learn para may maisagot later. Hindi naman kahirapan ng ating questions na tipong pang board exam. Hindi naman po. The questions will come from the presentation itself. So, good luck, Mamshis, and I hope everyone will enjoy this webinar. So, let's start. I will share my screen po. Just give me a moment and let me know if nakikita nyo na ang mahiwagang screen ni Mami Jahz. Naman minsan ay naghahang. So, let me just give me a minute. Hinahanap ko lang po. Okay, so let me know if you could see my screen. Okay, so let's let me just fix it for a while. Napapunta na pala sa dulo, baka pag open ko mapunta sa dulo. So ayun, so I hope everyone is having a great night. Alam ko medyo ano pa yan, may hangover pa ng Friday. Lalo na sa mga mamis tayo, ang mga mamis kasi parang 24/7 din kasi yun ang nagwo-work eh. So eto. So alam niyo ba mga mamis na tayo po ang mga kauna-unahang mga accountants. Bakit ko po nasabi na kayo po ang mga unang accountants? Kasi po you are the one who is doing the budgeting. You are the one who is accounting for your income and expenses. May nagtatanong, ano po ba yung income na sinasabi? Ano po ba yung expenses? So, in layman's term, pag sinabi pong income, ito po yung kita na pumapasok po sa household. Kung ipagbabasehan po natin yung sa ating normal na buhay, sa ating kabahayan, sa ating pamamahay. So, yung pong income na tinatawag po kasi is ito po yung pumapasok sa inyo. At pag sinabi naman po nating mga expenses, ito po yung mga bills like PLDT, Meralco, yung ganun po. So, technically speaking, kayo po, in your own way, you are already an accountant in your house. You're already doing bookkeeping in your house. So, parang ang mangyayari lang is medyo i-upgrade lang natin. So, eto. So my first topic will be accounting versus bookkeeping. So, let's start. Okay, so accounting and bookkeeping po kasi, they are always being, napapagkamalan silang magkapareho. I mean, it's like, pag tinawag kang bookkeeper, akala ng ibala, it's also the same with accountant. But to tell you frankly po, hindi po. They are different persons. Hindi po sila iisang tao lang. So they are being interchangeably napapagkamala na sila po ay isa. But then sila po ay magkaibang tao. So, but even they are two different people po, they are also having similarities. So, for the similarities, so bookkeepers and accountants deal with financial details. Yes po. The bookkeeper po and the accountant, pareho po silang nagdi-deal sa mga financial details tulad po ng mga numbers na related po sa business. Pareho po silang nagdi-deal sa numerical data. And then, they also share the same purpose of maintaining the business financial well-being. So, they are sharing the purpose. Ang purpose kasi ni bookkeeper is to maintain the books. While the purpose of the accountant is to make sure that he or she can produce a report, a very accurate report from that financial data na mine-maintain naman ni bookkeeper. So they are sharing the same purpose. And then, normally, their pursuits and expertise often intersect. So pag sinabi mo nag-intersect, they are meeting in the middle. Kasi, magkadugtong sila. Once na natapos si bookkeeper mag-enter ng financial data, like for example, nag-enter siya ng invoice, ng bills, yung mga data na yon, i-convert ngayon ni accountant para maging report. So, they are meeting at the middle. It always intersect yung kanilang responsibilities. And then, the other similarity would be they need basic accounting skills. So, kung bookkeeper ka, kasi sa the accountant kasi understandable na meron na silang basic accounting skills because that's what they have learned in their 4-year course, di ba? They already have the basic accounting skills and mas level up lang talaga yung accounting nila. But for the bookkeeper, you are really required to have the necessary basic accounting skills. Pag sinabi nating basic, ito yung mga dapat naiintindihan mo yung debit, credit, dapat naiintindihan mo kung ano yung income, kung ano yung expenses, and kung ano pa po yung mga other things po na malaman ng isang bookkeeper. So, dun po yung similarities. So, after po ng similarities, of course, they have their differences. So, their differences would be, they differ in definition kasi nga, the bookkeeper is the one that is maintaining the financial records and the financial books of the company, while the accountant is the one who is interpreting the financial data to a useful report na magagamit ng mga owners or clients. So by definition, the bookkeeper maintains the books. Sila nagme-maintain ng book, ng libro. While yung accountant naman po, siya naman yung nag-i-interpret ng data na ipinapasok ni bookkeeper. So normally, meron kang bookkeeper, may accountant ka sa company. But sometimes, nangyayari kasi is, yung bookkeeper mo, parang siya na rin yung nagiging accountant mo. So, which is normal naman na nangyayari yun, lalo na kung medyo sila sa role, parang iisa lang yung, pag maliit na business kasi not necessarily kailangan magkaiba yung bookkeeper mo and accountant. Pwede pag malalaki yan, nagkakaroon talaga sila ng different na bookkeeper, different na accountant. So for the requirements, the requirement for a bookkeeper is that you have the basic accounting skills. While for the accountant, to be an accountant, you have to pass the CPA board examination. So yun yung difference nila. Goals and objectives. Ang goals kasi ni bookkeeper is to make sure na accurate and complete ang data na ipinapasok niya sa system. While si accountant naman, on the other hand, ang kanyang goal and objective is to create and interpret the financial information into reports. Kailangan makapagawa siya ng report out of the financial data na ibinigay ni bookkeeper. Yun naman yung goal and objective niya. And then for the tools employed, the bookkeeper, ang kanyang tools would be the books, yung libro ni company. And the accounting software. While naman si accountant, ang kailangan din naman niya is hindi niya kailangan yung ginagamit ni bookkeeper. Ang kailangan niya would be the financial data coming from the bookkeeper. So yun yung differences nila. So I just want to check, okay pa ba kayo dyan? Carry pa? So ayun may similarities and differences si bookkeeper. So before I continue po sa sunod na slide, let me just ask a question para magpag-game lang ako ng isa, parang pangtanggal lang ng tawag dito ng antok kasi baka inaantok na kayo dyan. So okay, so my first question would be sino sa dalawang napag-discuss natin, yung na-discuss ko earlier, sino sa kanila ang nagme-maintain ng libro? Go! So let's see. Let's see po, sino kaya ang ating winner? Let me just double check. Okay, so we have a winner. Congratulations, Mommy Mariah Virginia. The answer is bookkeeper. So, congratulations po. Just wait na lang po from the announcement po of FH Moms kung paano nyo po makiklaim ang inyong prize. Sila po ang mag-a-announce po. Hindi po si Mami Jahz. Okay? Sila po yung magbibigay po ng announcement on how to claim your free course. So, ayun. So, yan. 1 down, 9 to go. So, abang lang tayo, okay? So, our next slide would be, okay, so the role of bookkeeper. So, bookkeepers are responsible for maintaining a company's books that map out their financial transactions. So, kanina ko pa to binabanggit. I know, baka medyo nabibingi na kayo kasi paulit-ulit. Kasi ito naman po talaga ang role ni bookkeeper. Sila, kumbaga, ang nagme-maintain talaga ng libro. So, kung walang bookkeeper, wala pong magme-make sure na kumpleto at accurate ang lahat ng data na pumapasok sa system. So, medyo mabigat. Medyo mabigat talaga kasi sila yung para kumbagang pinaka-frontliner. Sila yung una kasi nakaka-receive ng data. So, kung may failure sa part niya, nagka-error sa part niya, what will happen is that yung makukuhang data po ni accountant would be incorrect or hindi po siya magiging accurate, hindi siya makakagawa ng accurate reports na kailangan ng kanilang client or ng owners ng business whenever they make decisions. So, yun po yung role ni bookkeeper. So, the role naman po kasi ni accountant is they analyze, review, and interpret financial information for the company. So, they turn the records into reportable data that is used for decision making. So, importante din ang role ni accountant kasi kung wala si accountant, yung data kasi na pinasok ni bookkeeper will be still data lang. Hindi siya mai-interpret, hindi siya ma-analyze, and hindi siya ma-interpret into a financial information na in return, magiging reportable data na ginagamit nila for decision making. So, importante din yung role nila. So, bookkeepers and accountants are really important part of the business. Okay, wait lang po. Okay. So, hinga. So, ito ang hinihintay ng lahat. How to become a bookkeeper. So, ayun. So, number 1, as like what I am saying always, learn the basics of accounting. Napaka-importante nito, Mami. Kasi, yung basics of accounting kasi, kapag ikaw ay equipped nito, madali na po ang magpasok ng entry sa system. So, napaka-importante po na alam niyo yung basics. Pag sinabi na yung mga basics, again, these are dapat you know how to do the journal entries. Dapat you know what is income, what is expense, what is an asset. So, ito po yung mga basics of accounting na kailangan yung malaman. So, once you learn the basics of accounting, you need to get a training. Why? Bakit po kailangan ng training? Kasi, ang kagandahan kasi, Mami, sa training is, there is a person who will guide you on learning the basics of accounting and then learning the software that is being used. So, ito po yung maganda kung meron kayong training. May magga-guide. May magsasabi sa'yo na, uy, hindi ganyan, mali yan. Kasi sometimes, even we do the self-learning, minsan kasi may mga tao rin kasi na kailangan talaga may nag-guide sa kanila. Kasi minsan, namamali yung interpretation nila doon sa binabasa nila. So, iba pa rin po yung if there is someone who will guide you on your journey. So, and number 3, you should be certified on any accounting software. So, dahil po napaka-in-demand ng mga bookkeeping jobs ngayon, so kabi-kabila ang offer ng bookkeeping sa OLJ or online jobs PH, sa Upwork, saan pa ba, sa Fiverr, kahit sa Facebook, marami nagpo-post about hiring a remote bookkeeper. Dahil po very tight ang competition, mas maganda po ang mayroong certification. It is an edge actually. Though, meron naman pa rin pong tumatanggap ng wala pa pong certification. But then again, iba pa rin po kasi ang may certification because ang certification kasi is your proof that you know or you are expert on using that accounting software. So currently,
we have the QuickBooks and Xero. So ito po ngayon ang in-demand talaga na accounting software. So ito po yung kinukuhang, ito po yung may mga certifications ngayon na which is ito po yung kinukuha ng mga students. Para po sila ay ma-equip. They will learn how to use the QuickBooks and Xero, and then they will take an examination, and then after taking that exam, they will be certified. So magkakaroon sila ng certificate na they are a certified pro advisor for QuickBooks and a Xero certified advisor naman for Xero. So be certified. Hinahanap po talaga yan, mamis. Ako po nagsasabi sa inyo, hinahanap po talaga ang certificate kalimitan. Lalo na po sa mga job offer sa Upwork. Hinahanap po nila yung mga certifications na yan. So kasi yan yung proof Proof na ikaw ay marunong gumamit ng accounting software na QuickBooks and Xero. So next slide. Hinga. Okay. So we have, ito po mami, itong top 7 character traits ng great bookkeepers. Ito po ay sa akin lamang. Kumbaga ay opinion ko lang po. So, number 1 would be positive outlook and confidence. Siyempre, you are handling financial data. You should have the positive outlook and confidence. Dapat confident ka palagi sa numbers mo. Dapat, another thing, the interpretation for the positive outlook and confidence, since this is a lagi siyang routinary ang kanyang routinary yung kanyang, what you call this, ginagawa. Ang mangyayari po would be medyo parang siguro naabot sa point na parang tatamadin kang konti kasi paulit-ulit lang. So having a positive outlook and confidence will really contribute a lot in para malagpasan mo yung stage na yon. Kasi darating kasi sa point kapag paulit-ulit lang ang ginagawa mo, mabubore ka. So, pero sasabi ko sa inyo, accounting is not boring. Bookkeeping is not boring. Masaya siya, promise. So, ayun. So, another trait will be a difference maker. So, when you say a difference maker, kailangan may nagagawa kang maganda para sa company. You can help in a way na, for example, matulungan mo silang makatipid. Halimbawa, for example, mag-iisip ka na, ito, gawa ka ng analysis ng lahat ng expenses nyo. Tapos sabihin mo sa boss mo, boss, tingin ko kailangan natin itong tanggalin kasi hindi na natin ito kailangan. So, you are helping the company. You are making a difference in the company. So, that's what we call a difference maker. Number 3 would be a hard worker. So, when you say a hard worker, kayo po ay, ang tawag dito, masipag, and talagang binibigay yung best mo sa trabaho. Feeling ko naman lahat ng tao pag nag-work, binibigay naman talaga yung best nila. But then kasi sa bookkeeping talaga, you really have to be a hard worker kasi laging marami kang deadlines. Napakadaming deadlines, kabi-kabilang deadlines. Every week may deadline. So, you really need to work hard para matapos mo yung mga deadlines na yon. The number 4 trait would be organized. So, as the bookkeeper, you will be the one to organize and ikaw din yung mag-aayos ng lahat ng files ninyo. Since it's remote, that would be using something like the Hubdoc o kaya naman a Google Drive, Dropbox, so yung mga ganon. Doon mo yung organize yung files ninyo. Like, for example, your invoices, your bills, yung mga W-2s or yung mga 1099s, lahat ng files na related sa company, you will be the one to organize it. So, ayun po. And the next would be ability to handle multiple projects. Sa bookkeeping po kasi, normal po ang mag-multitasking. Kasi minsan, hindi ka pa tapos sa isa, may parating na panibagong task. So what will you do? You have to multitask. Like for example, may finish kang report and then you really need to call the bank at the same time kasi may hinahabol ka naman na kailangan i-cancel na check, for example. So what you can do is, while you're doing your report, on the other hand, you use your other hand or you will do it sabay. You will call the bank while doing the report. Kasi po ako po nagsasabi sa inyo, matagal din po. Sa ibang bansa po, pag tumatawag sa bangko, napakatagal din po. Like what we are experiencing here in the Philippines. Nako, talaga namang 45 minutes na nakakuyo ka pa din, hindi ka pa nakakausap ng agent ng bangko. So, ang sinasabi ko lang dito is, instead of waiting lang kasi sa phone, you can do, your report at the same time while waiting in the phone. So, that's what we call multitasking. So, at least, hindi na sayang yung oras mo nung nag-iintay ka lang ng 45 minutes sa phone. So, dapat marunong ka mag-multitask. Napapag-aralan yun mga mami. Detail-oriented numbers. So, pag sinabi po natin detail-oriented numbers, kailangan magaling ka sa, ano yung mata mo? Ano ba tawag namin doon? Para kang matang lawin. Keen ka sa details. Yung tipong, pagkatingin mo pa lang sa number, alam mo na mali. Or pagkatingin mo sa number, alam mo sa sarili mo na may nagkapalit dyan, hindi yan tama or hindi yan ganyan. So, yan po ay napapag-aralan din, lalo na kung lagi mong ginagawa. So, yan yung tinatawag natin na detail-oriented numbers. And then, last but not the least, itong pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat, personable and caring. So, I know that this is a job, bookkeeping is a job, but then, you really have to be personable and a caring person. Kasi if parang kahit love mo yung self mo, love mo din dapat yung job mo. And then, kung pag love mo yung job mo, love ka din ng company. So, kumbaga parang give and take relationship lang yan. So, ayun po. So, that is our top 7 character traits of great bookkeepers. So, before po ako magtuloy, kamusta po kayo? Okay pa po ba kayo dyan? Baka kasi mamaya nahihilo na kayo. So far, grounded po yung audio. Oh my God, I'm so sorry po if that's the case po. Pero, kamusta naman po ngayon? Medyo okay na po ba? Pasensya na po. Okay. Opo, so sana okay pa kayo dyan. Na-absorb ba? Absorb pa ba? Na-absorb? Okay. So far, so good. So, excited na ba kayo sa sunod nating Jahz? Thank you so much. So, kay Mami, so far, so good. Thank you. And, understandable po. Thank you so much. Garalgal ang audio. Oh my God. Pero clear pa rin naman po. So, pasensya na po if we are having technical difficulties po. I really have no idea what happened. And, yes, but as long as clear, as long as naiintindihan pa rin naman ako, I think that would be, siguro, kasi kanina nag-test ako, hindi naman siya garalgal. Ano kayo nangyari? Anyways, okay lang yan. Pagtsagaan nyo na lang muna po for the meantime. Babawi po ako next time. So, let's go to the next slide. Okay, so, ayan. So, totoo po ang bookkeeping. Hindi po siya chismis. Totoo po yung working from home. Hindi po siya chismis, promise. So, bookkeeping from home is really an option. So, remote bookkeeping, or as what we call the virtual or online bookkeeping, is one of the most sought-out services in the business world. It is a new form of bookkeeping set up to replace the in-house bookkeeping. So, ito po talaga ang trend ngayon. Online bookkeeping. Hahanap si client ng bookkeeper from the different part of the world or different side of the world. Yung tipong nasa US yung client mo, pero ikaw nandoon sa Pilipinas. Ikaw magbo-bookkeep ng libro niya. But that's possible because of the accounting software, because all of the accounting software are web-based. So, kumbaga, pag sinabi natin web-based, na-access po siya through online. So, that's what we call the bookkeeping or remote bookkeeping. So, syempre, may pros and cons po ang home-based bookkeeping. So, unahin natin yung pros. So, lower cost. So, no office space rent to pay. So, eto po kasi is sa party client, hindi nyo kailangan ng office space. Kasi, your office as a bookkeeper will be your home, will be your desk in your homes. So, walang cost, lower cost, kumbaga. Number two will be deliver more value. So, naipapasok mo yung savings sa clients. I'm sorry. Sorry po, wait lang po. Medyo in demand si Mami Jahz, kaya gabi-gabi lang tunog. Pasensya na po doon. Ayun, so, atod po lang sinasabi ko, deliver more value. So, you can pass the savings to clients. Why we are saying that? But napapasa mo sa savings na yung savings sa clients. Kasi ganito po yun. Since hindi nga po nagbabayad ng office space si client, yung nasisave, yung office space rent na yun, nasisave yun. So, naipapasa mo ngayon sa kanila. Kasi sila yung nagbe-benefit doon sa pagkawala ng office space rent. So, you deliver more value. You give value. Another thing is if you are a pro advisor, you can actually share the discount to your client in the subscription ng QuickBooks halimbawa. So, meron po tayong gano'n na tinatawag na i-share ng bookkeeper, which is a pro advisor, yung discount niya sa subscription papunta kay client. So, you deliver more value. You are passing the savings to clients. So, number 3 will be maximize your time. So, there will be far less commuting. So, pag sinabi po nating maximize your time, nagagamit mo yung oras mo to the maximum level. Walang commute. Walang traffic sa EDSA, walang usok sa EDSA. You know, hindi ka mag-travel ng 3 to 4 hours just to go to work and then another 3 to 4 hours just to get home. So, napakalaking bagay po talaga ng home-based, not only for the bookkeeping, no, but for all of the home-based jobs. It's really a good thing kasi hindi ka magko-commute. So, aside from hindi ka na matatraffic sa EDSA, hindi ka na matatraffic sa Makati, or kahit saan na may traffic, talaga naman traffic sa Pilipinas. So, hindi ka magsasayang ng oras. You will have a lot more time to do your work, to be with your family. So, you were able to maximize your time. Next will be enjoy tax break. So, sa part po ito ng client, they were able to claim deductions on rent or mortgage. And then the last, for the pros, would be you have more flexibility. When you say flexibility, you can now have a work balance and you would be able to juggle your work and family. So, while you were working, you will be able to spend more time with your family. So, ako po kasi, before I started doing freelancing or the home-based bookkeeping po, ako po ay katulad din po ng iba na nag-corporate job before. So, 5 years akong nag-corporate job, traffic, transportation costs, tapos since I am in the accounting, madalas kahit holiday, nandun ako sa office kasi maraming tinatapos na deadline. Madalas din, ang uwi ko, 11 o'clock na ng gabi. So, hindi ko talaga nakita yung paglaki ng anak ko eventually. Parang dumating sa point na napaisip na rin ako kasi hindi na kami nakikita eh. Like for example, umalis ako, tulog siya. Pag-uwi ko, tulog pa din. So, hindi na kami nakikita. So, parang hindi na siya maganda. So, ayun. So, I realized I have to take a break from the corporate job. And then after that, doon ko lang na-discover, siguro nagpahinga muna ako mga 1 year, and then na-discover ko na meron pala, possible pala, mag-work talaga sa bahay. Wherein you can, I can still practice yung natapos ko, I earn then while being with my daughter. So, ayun, may isa po akong anak. Chinika talaga eh, no? Ayun, so yun yung mga isa sa pros. So, which is, I'm very thankful kasi you will be able to have more time with your family. Instead na ipagta-travel mo pa yon papuntang office, yung 4 hours na yon ang laking bagay na madadagdag na mas-spend mo sa family. So, ayun. So, aside from the pros, you also have the cons. You lose a room. So, pag sinabi mong you lose a room, kailangan kasi meron kang personal dedicated space talaga for your work. Hindi pwede na wala kang space na ilalagay dyan. Kasi madidistract ka, so you really need to have your own personal space. So boundaries can be hard to keep. So, kids and pets may invade your office. Totoo po yan. Ranas na ranas ko po yan. So, for me po na may anak, yung anak ko, palakad-lakad siya sa likod. Minsan nagbi-meeting ako, magsasabihin niyan, "Hi, sir! Hi!" Gaganon siya. So, hindi naman siya maiiwasan. Actually, natutuwa pa nga yung boss ko pag nakikita niya anak ko. But then, syempre, which is hindi talaga dapat. Kasi you are in a meeting. Dapat yung anak mo, hindi siya palakad-lakad sa likod mo or pasilip-silip. Yun yung kailangan mong iwasan. Even the pets, if you are a fur mommy, so for sure meron sa inyong mga fur mommies dito, hindi naman may iwasan maglalambing ang inyong mga pets. So, may invade yung office ninyo. So, syempre, tas minsan may hinahabol kang deadline. So, ayun. Ayun nga po. So, tapos, number 3 will be, meetings aren't easy. So, it is not as simple to host a client meeting. Totoo po yan. Kapag po kasi nasa meeting kayo, ang nangyayari po is, kung pag first time, no, medyo nahihiya ka pa. Medyo nandun pa yung awkward na parang hindi mo sure kung tama ba yung sasabihin mo, or baka mamaya hindi kayo magkaintindihan due to the language barrier. So, yan naman po, mamis, ay napapag-aralan. Kaya ko po lagi sinasabi sa mga estudyante ko, lagi ka dapat confident kapag nakikipag-usap. So, ang technique dyan, you practice talking to yourself in front of the mirror. Effective po yun, promise. Hindi kasi minsan may mga tao talagang mga shy type, yung talagang ayaw nila na-attend ng meeting. Ako kasi, totoo lang, ayoko din ng meeting. Kasi ako, ang akin naman, nakakakain siya masyado ng oras. So, parang mas gusto ko yung trabaho lang, diretso, para ayoko ng meeting. Pero syempre, it's part of the job. You really have to attend the meeting. So, madalas, ikaw yung mag-host ng client meeting. For example, if you're working in a firm at ikaw yung may hawak ng books ng a particular client, you will be the one to talk with the client. You will be the one to host a client meeting. So, hindi po madali yan sa totoo lang. But then, pagtagal, habang ginagawa mo, masasanay ka din. Kumbaga, practice lang, sanayan lang, kaya-kaya. So, ayun. So, you may go stir crazy. Totoo po yun, nakakabaliw po talaga. Kasi 4 walls lang yung nakikita mo, hindi ka lumalabas ng bahay. Parang, pagkaupo mo sa harap ng laptop mo, yung 4 walls lang ng bahay nakikita mo, wala ka nakikitang kakaibang green sa labas. So, lalo na ngayong pandemic, di ba, hindi naman masyado nakakalabas. So, ayan, yun yung isa pang cons. Medyo nakakabalo ng konti. Ayun. So, meron pa. Ito yung pinaka talaga sa lahat. You may never switch off. Pag sinabi niyo po na you may never switch off, ang problema po kasi pag nasa bahay ka, you can access easily your laptop. So, yung tipong kahit ayaw mo namang magtrabaho, pag nakita mo yung laptop mo, parang sasabihin niya sa'yo, halika, magtrabaho ka. Kahit Sabado-Linggo, matitempt ka na doon yung temptation eh. Ako kasi, ito based on my experience, no, pag umupo ko sa harap ng laptop ko, naku po, hindi ko na mapipigilan yung sarili ko. Work na ako. So, yung parang tipong sabi ko, hindi, rest day ako today. Hindi ako mag-open ng laptop. Pero pag nakita ko yung laptop ko, hindi mo mapipigilan eh, parang mapapasilip ka, baka mamaya may emergency, o kaya naman merong kailangan urgent na kailangan tapusin, na in-email ka. So, wala akong choice. So, nagagawa ko pa din magbukas ng laptop pag weekend. So, ayun, you may never switch off talaga. Tatawagin ka ng laptop mo, halika, magtrabaho ka, gaganyan ka niyan. Naku, kahit, alam mo yun, lang yun, hindi ko naman totally narinig yung gano'n. Pero parang gano'n, parang tinatawag ka niya. Kumbaga sabi naman tatanda, tinatawag ka ng laptop. Yun. So, yun po yung pros and cons ng home-based bookkeeping. So, eto po. Tayo ulit maglaro. Pantanggal ng matinding antok. So, ito yung question ko. Alright? So, ready po ang lahat? True or false? Ang isa sa pros ng home-based bookkeeping is that you were able to maximize your time. True or false? Go. So, sino kaya ang mananalo ng Skillshare Success? Pabilisan po ang kamay sa keyboard. Okay, so while we are waiting, saglit lang po at ako lang po ay sasagot. Tingnan natin. Ako lang po ay may pinadeliver. Wait lang po. Mag-deliver to. So, let's see. Okay, may nanalo na. So, Mommy, Sarah, May, Halak o Jalak ba to? The answer is true. Congratulations po, Mommy. You win a free skill success na course. So, wait mo lang po yung advice po ng FH Moms. So, meron pa tayong, 2 down, 8 more to go. So, another question. Etong role niya is he or she is the one who analyze, review the financial information and convert it into a reportable data. So, sino po siya? Go. Let's see. Wow, okay, we have a winner. Mommy Reg Cortado, congratulations po. The answer is accountant. So, nakakailan na tayo? Nakakatatlo na. So, may 7 pa. So, another question would be, true or false ulit tayo? Kakaiba, no? True or false? So, the question is, home-based bookkeeping is an option. Is it true or false? Home-based bookkeeping is an option. Hi, mga mommies. I'm back. Hindi ko alam ano nangyari. Ba't bigla akong na-cut off? Nangyari. So, ayun. Ano ba yung sinasabi ko kanina? So, ayan. True or false? Don't know what happened. Home-based booking is an option. So, may winner na ba kanina? Okay. So, we have a winner. Mommy ID Nunez Galianes, congratulations po. You win a free skill success course. So wait mo lang po ang advice ni FH Moms kung paano po i-claim ang prize. So yes, we still have 6 more courses na prize. So just stand by and galingan ang pagtatype ng sagot, pabilisan. So again, I'm gonna share my screen kasi nalaglag tayo kanina. May tumulak sa akin, palabas. Okay, let's see. Nasaan na ba tayo? So, alright. Eto na. So, yun, napag-usapan na natin yung pros and cons. So, what you need to do it? So, we have Zoom and Skype, and marami actually ways on how you can do video conferencing, but then you can use Microsoft Teams. Actually, nakakapag-video conference din sa Microsoft Teams. And eto lang kasi, Zoom and Skype, they are the most common kasi na ginagamit. So, that's why they are the ones that I put here. The Zoom and Skype, which is, I know, most of you are very familiar. Kasi, alam ko kapag may mga online class, Zoom din ang ginagamit. The next would be laptop. Yes, napaka-important po ng laptop. Kung hindi man po laptop, desktop, ito po kasi yung pinaka-vital part po ng work nyo sa bookkeeper. Kasi ito po yung gagamitin nyo to access the website or the web-based accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. And then kailangan nyo rin po siya in the sense na you will be able to access din po every applications na kailangan in order for you to fulfill your job and your responsibilities in the company. So aside from that, you will also need a mobile phone. For me kasi, kaya siya importante din, it's because kung ikaw po ay nasa labas and very urgent, your client can easily call you or can contact you immediately. May times kasi kapag nasa labas ka, may urgent, walang way si client to, kasi hindi naman laging daladala yung laptop at saka desktop, lalong yung desktop, hindi mo madadala palabas. So, mobile phones will come in handy. So, what you can do is connect ilagin mo dun yung email mo, work mail, and every time na, you can check from time, not naman every day, kung nasa labas ka, you can check po if there are urgents and they have apps kasi na papa-install din sa phone so that they can call you even they are in a different part of the world. So another thing would be a second screen. So ito ngayon ang very popular, no? You may another screen ka, parang extended screen. Kasi lalo na kung ikaw po ay laging may ina-analyze na data, very useful ang may second screen. So maraming tutorial po actually sa YouTube kung paano gawin yung second screen na tinatawag. Normally kasi kailangan mo lang ng HDMI cable and another monitor para ma-extend mo yung screen mo. So para kang yung screen mo ganito kaliit, parang may extend siya kasi nga parang i-stretch na hanggang doon sa screen. Oo, maganda yung may second screen actually. Maganda. Lalo na kung malaki yung monitor. Especially if you're a bookkeeper, ang sarap mag-entry. Promise, pag malaki yung monitor. And aside from that, you also need to know how to use the online accounting softwares like the QuickBooks and Xero. So QuickBooks and Xero po is the most popular po na accounting software na ginagamit po ng mga bookkeepers in entering po the details of the financial details po ng company. And ayun. So, before we go to the online accounting and bookkeeping course outline po na ino-offer ni FH Moms, I just want to have another 2 games para alam ko marami kayong natutunan there dun sa mga diniscuss natin earlier. So, let's see. Okay. So, my question would be, ano kayong matanong? Okay. How many character traits ang nabanggit ko kanina sa ating presentation? Character traits ng good bookkeeper. Go! So, kamusta po? Ayan na nga. Maglalabasan ng mga numero. Sheka, can you open the door, please? Ayan. Sino ang nanalo? Ang tagal. Na-call nga siya kanina eh. Hindi ko, Okay, so we have a winner. Congratulations, Mommy Dieter. Ang cute ng name niya, no? Dieter. Talagang matipid. 7. Yes, the correct answer would be 7. Ayan, ang saya-saya. So, ilan na lang? 5. 5 na lang, no? Tama ba ako? 5 na lang yung, tama ba ako? Baka mamaya.
Okay, we're back. Sorry. I really don't know what's happening. But then, I apologize for, na-out na naman ako. May tumulak na naman sa akin. May mumu ata. So, ayun. So, we still have 5. What do you call this? We still have 5. Yeah, you're visible po, Mami Julian Bigonia. So, we still have 5 more course. Baka may mumu talaga. Kanina pa akong tinutulak. Ayun, hayaan mo na sila. I apologize. Ayun. So, I'm gonna share my screen again. Oy, nakita ko need daw mag-send ng stars. Sendan nyo daw ako ng stars. Charot. Ayun. So, we still have, what do you call this? 5 more courses. I know you are excited. Sino kaya ang sunod na mabobola? Yes, Mami Gracie Cruz, you are very visible. Nakikita ko po kayo. Commercial pa rin sa inyo. Mami Lires Salas, yes, I can see you. May commercial po. Hindi po, nandito na po ako. Hi, I'm back. Ang kulit, no? Ayun. So, one more question would be, ano yun? Okay. So, Mama Jahz. Kita na po ako. Yes po, Mami Wella Bells. Yes po, Mami Joshi. Nakikita po kayo. And Mami Christina po from YouTube. Yes, you're visible po. Okay. So, later mag-answer ako ng questions, ha? Anyways, alright. So, another, madami kasi kayo, no? So, kung sino yung una mag-flash sa screen, yun talaga yung nakikita. Ano po? Yes po, Mami Eileen, you are visible po. Okay, so my other question would be, again, madali kasi true or false. True or false tayo, charot. Favorite ko yata true or false ngayong araw na to. True or false? Bookkeeper and accountant are the same. Again, true or false, bookkeeper and accountant are the same. What do you think? Go! So let's see who is the winner. Yes po, Mami Armella, you're visible. So let's see who's the winner. So we still have 5 more courses na pamimigay. So pag namigay ako ulit, 4 na lang. So okay, Mami Raquel Kalipayan, akala ko, hindi pala, akala ko siya yung may sagot. Yes po, Mami Raquel, you're visible po. Ano ba yan? Nakakaloka. Sorry po. Okay, so we have a winner. Congratulations, Mami Rox Barca. The answer is false. Yes po, congratulations. You won actually a skill success course. Pawait lang po yung advice po or announcement po ni FH Mans on how to claim. So ayun. So I don't know if I have students here, but I just want to say hello to them. Hi to my students, both Feb and March batch. Mamaya nyo na po kukulitin sa question. I'm still nasa webinar pa ako. So, ayun. Wala lang. Commercial break. Anyway, so we still have 4 more to go. So, gusto ko na rin magbigay pa tayo ng another 2 para may tira tayong 2 pang mamaya. So, okay. So my other question would be, what do you call, another word or term for home-based bookkeeping? So we have actually 2. So any of them will apply. Pwede. So, ayun. What is the other term for home-based bookkeeping? Go.
Medyo mahaba yatang i-type yun. So, let's see who's the winner. All right. So, we have Mami Charlene Abalos, yes, remote bookkeeping. It's correct. Congratulations po. You won a free course. Not po actually online bookkeeper because we are talking about bookkeeping. Yes po. It's Mami Charlene Abalos. Congratulations po. You win po. Remote bookkeeping. Yes, that's acceptable. That's one of the correct answers. Kasi actually, you can call it virtual, remote, or online bookkeeping. So, congratulations po. And last one po before we proceed to the other topic. Nauubusan ako ng questions. Ang gagaling nyo kasi sumagot. Ano po bang pwede ko itanong? Okay. So, if, what do you call this? Okay. What do you call po the person who is responsible in maintaining the books of the company? What do you call that person? Or who is that person who maintains the books of the company? Ito yung pinaka-responsibility niya is to maintain the books or libro ng company. Go. Sino kaya ang nanalo? Let's see. Let me see your answers. Ayun, nagpapasok ka na ang mga kasagutan. Mami, you're all spelling wrong, ha? Okay, congratulations, Mami Julian Begonia. You won, meron kang free skill success course. Wait na lang po tayo sa announcement at advice po ng FH Mom. So, congratulations po. Sino ba? Dalawa ba? Okay, sige. And Mommy Rachel Javier. So, we did get 2 winners po for this question. So, si Mommy Rachel and yung si Mommy Julian. So, wait nyo lang po. Congratulations and wait nyo lang po yung advice. Ano po? So, meron pa tayong last 2 questions and I will reserve it at the end of the webinar. So, ito po. I just want to share lang po with you our online accounting and bookkeeping course outline. So, hopefully, ay malaki siya pag kinilik. So, let me just share my screen with you. Share ko lang po. Okay, so, habang inaayos ko yung ating file for that particular topic. Okay, so ito po siya. So, I just want to share with you po our course outline po and the accounting and bookkeeping mastery course. So, we have actually 3 parts for this. So, we have po the part 1 will be the bookkeeping basics. The part 2 would be the bookkeeping and accounting processes. Part 3 will be for the QuickBooks online training. And then part 4 will be for the zero training. So, hindi pala siya 3. Part 5 would be how to get certified in QuickBooks Online and Zero. So, we have 5 parts and then 1 bonus part wherein we will discuss about the overview of real estate accounting, which is an in-demand niche for now, setting up the QuickBooks Online Pay, how to use receipt back, so how to use the classifying transaction tools, and overview of the business activity statements or the BAS. So, jump pack po ang ating course outline. Makukover po niyo yung bookkeeping, accounting processes, QuickBooks Online Training, Zero Training, and then may mga bonus na topic. So, ito po siya. Ito po yung course outline. And then, aside from that, let me see kung nakikita. Oh my gosh. So, actually, ito naman po ay ma-view doon po sa pinopost po ng FH Moms na regarding sa mastery course, there is an outline there. If you want a copy, you can just look for that post and click on the link so you can view those topics na cover po ng aming mastery course. So, and another thing would be, so ayun, yun po yung ating webinar for today. So I am now opening the floor, my floor, for questions and other concerns po. You can actually ask questions na po ngayon. So this question is from Mommy Shirley. Hi, Mommy Shirley. Thank you for this question. No? Kayo pa rin po, Mommy Jahz, ang coach for April batch? Yes po, Mommy. I'm still the coach po for April. And yes po, ako po kasi ang nag-train, ako po yung, so mga hindi po nakaabot kanina, ako po ang online accounting and bookkeeping course trainer po ng FH Moms po. So, yes po, we are, currently po, we are in the March batch. And okay, for April batch po, meron na po slot. Yes po, Mami, actually po, naka-open na po since last week ang ating enrollment for the April batch. Pinost na po ito ng FH Moms. You can actually look for it on the announcement tab. Alam ko may announcement tab sa group. You can click on the announcement tab and nandun siya sa kauna-unahan po. Yes po, we still have slots. Thank you po. Hi, Mami Mavs. Regarding certification po, kasama po sa course? Yes po. Ang certification po is included na po sa course. So, dalawang certification po yun, which is from the QuickBooks and from Xero. So, in order for you to get the certification, you have to pass the online certification exams. So, which is, I will help you prepare for it naman. So, kayang-kaya. Okay. From Mommy Gracie Cruz, Mommy Jahz, how much po ang online course? So, the online course is 3,500 pesos. Inclusive na po siya ng book. Yung katulad po na pinakita ko kanina sa course outline, it is inclusive na po ng bookkeeping basics, accounting processes, and also we have the online training for Xero and QuickBooks, and then the certifications po. Kasama po siya doon. Ayun po. Thank you, Mommy Gracie, for that question. And, okay, so do we still have questions here? For April class, hi Mommy Sally, good evening po. For April class po, what date ang start? Kasi first week ng April is Holy Week. Yes po, it's April 5. We will start po April 5 for the April batch. Yes, it's because nga po na Holy Week. From Miss Karen, hi po Miss Karen. So, pwede po bang maging bookkeeper kahit iba ang course? Yes po, Mommy. As like what I am always saying po, I even have po students po na hindi po accountancy ang course. Most of them are in different fields and most of them are mommies who are at home. So far po we are good. My February batch, we are just waiting for the finish na lang ng certifications nila, and then they are up to graduate na din this March. So ayun po. Yes po, kasi I have a lot of friends and colleagues po. They are not actually accounting graduates, but they are bookkeepers and earning a lot. So yes, it's not po, hindi naman po necessarily kailangan talaga you are an accounting graduate. Kasi po, ang kailangan naman po ni bookkeeper would be the accounting basics. Basta po equip po kayo, you know the accounting basics, you know how to use the online softwares, you're good to go. You can now join the bookkeeping journey. Okay, so may isa ako nakabasa ditong question, no? Both Xero and QB po magkakaroon ng certification. Yes po, pareho po siya magkakaroon ng certification. Mamis, gusto ko lang i-clear po, no? Hindi po siya basta makukuha. Kailangan nyo po mag-take ng exam para po makuha yung certification po na iyon. Siyempre, di ba, katulad sinasabi nila, kailangan mo siyang paghirapan. So far naman po, marami na kaming QuickBooks online certified pro advisor and mga Xero certified advisor so far, and we're still counting. So yan. And parang nakita ko dito ilang days po ang training. So I just want to clear din po, ang ating pong course is self-paced, meaning po You can read or access the modules in your own time, anytime, anywhere, everywhere. Apo. So, yan. And then, from Mommy Marcel Christine Samson, thank you for the question. Is it required for us po para aralin muna yung basics na accounting before mag-enroll ng mastery course? Especially pag walang background sa accounting. So, to tell you honestly po, our training course po is tailored po talaga siya for those who do not have the accounting background. So, not necessarily kailangan pag nag-enroll ka, may alam ka na sa accounting. Though, makakatulong talaga if you already have. But then again, kahit po wala po kayong background sa accounting, once po na nag-enroll kayo, you will be equipped to know the basics, to know how to use how to do the bookkeeping for your client. So, the course po is really tailored for those who do not have the background for accounting and for those people who needs refresher. Kasi meron naman po talaga na may background na kailangan lang ng refresher course. So, ayan po. Okay. So, still have questions pa po ba? Till when po ang enrollment? I think March 31. Tama ba? Parang March 31 ang deadline yata po ng enrollment. I'll just waiting. Okay. So, both Zero and QB po magkakaroon ng certification. Thanks. Ayun nga po, katulad po ng sinabi ko po kanina mga mommies, ang Zero and QB po, yes po, magkakaroon po yan ng certification provided that you passed the online certification exam. Hindi po siya talaga technically na may certificate na agad kayo. No po, you have to pass po the online certification exam. So, yung pong February batch po natin, they already, some of them have taken na and they passed and some are still taking. So, Mami Jahz, what if hindi po nakapasa sa online exam? Wala po ba certificate na makukuha? So, that's one is from Mami Baden. Mami, eto po sabihin sa inyo, huwag niyo pong isipin na hindi kayo papasa. Lahat po kayo, pag kayo po ay nag-aral mabuti talaga at nagbigay po kayo ng enough time to understand po the lesson, you will be able to pass po the certification. So, aside po kasi doon sa Zero and QuickBooks certification, may matatanggap din po kayo na certificate of completion po from FH Moms for the course. Kapag natapos po yung, natapos niyo po at na-complete yung activities po na required po for the course. So, you will receive a certificate of completion. Yun po yung isa pa po. So, bali 3 pong certificate yun. Certificate po sa Zero pag nakapasa, certificate po sa QuickBooks pag nakapasa, and then pag po natapos nyo po at na-complete lahat ng activities or requirements po for the course, you will have the certificate of completion in your graduation. Sa platform po ba ito or sa app? Ano po, Mami Mabs Lanuza, can you reiterate po, medyo vague po yung question. Hindi ko po sure kung ano po yung tinutukoy niyo po yung sa platform po ba ito or sa app. Are you referring po ba sa QuickBooks and Zero po? Kung sa platform po siya o sa app? Hindi. Medyo vague po yung question. Ganito na lang, Mami, message mo na lang ako. Usap tayo sa chat. Okay. Ang course po ba natin ay sa LMS, or FP group? I'm lost. Hindi ko po sure. Hindi ko po sure ito. Ano po ba yung LMS FP group? I'm lost. Sorry po. Hindi ko po masyadong gets. Hindi ko po naiintindihan ano po ba yung LMS. Hindi na po kasi ako masyadong updated sa mga, yung mga acronym na ginagamit ngayon. Okay, so balikan natin si Mami, no? Okay, from Mami Catherine Pascolado, paano po ang online class? May schedule po ba or may isend lang po kayo ng mga video na para pag-aralan po? So, we have this platform po kung saan nandun po lahat ng modules or yung tinatawag po natin mga videos. It's a self-paced training. So, kayo po yung manonood ng videos, aralin nyo siya. We will have a weekly live session wherein you can ask questions during the live session. And we can have the discussion on the live session po, dun sa mga topics na medyo may question kayo. So, it's a self-paced training, meaning wala pong oras. Anytime po, pwede nyo siyang i-access on your own terms. Everywhere, anywhere, anytime. Okay? So, may questions pa ba sila? Let's see. Is it difficult po ba to get clients po for bookkeeping jobs? Okay, so feeling ko po kasi, mami, wala naman po kasing hindi mahirap. Lahat po kasi kailangan natin paghirapan. Wala pong madali actually. Though yun nga po, hindi naman po masasabing difficult, but then yun nga po, kailangan nyo lang po talagang maging matyaga, since nga po, kahit po madami tayong online jobs for bookkeeping, tight din po kasi ang competition. So medyo, kailangan po talaga na may edge ka, kumbaga. Dapat may edge ka. So, ayun, balikan natin si Mami Mavs, no? Okay. Learning Management System. Ayan, binatutunan ako sa iyo, Mami. Thank you for that. Hindi ko po talaga alam yung LMS. Sorry. Ayun. So, yes po. We have po a learning management system, which is yun nga po yung binabanggit ko po kanina. We have a platform kung saan po, doon po niya access yung mga videos po. And at the end of the videos, there are some assessment questions or quizzes na kailangan nyo rin pong sagutan just to assess po if you understand the lesson. And aside from the platform po, yung kung saan nyo po i-access yung mga videos, we also have the weekly live session. So once a week, mag-meet tayo, 1 hour. 1 hour po talaga. Pero minsan napapalagpas ako eh. Ayun, so doon po sa 1 hour na yon, doon po kayo pwede magtanong, pwede rin po doon i-discuss. And for me naman po, nagpapahands-on ako. And ginamit ko rin po kasi yung weekly live session namin for the review. Kasi nagbigay ako ng review sa students ko before they took the QBO and before they took the certifications. Nagbigay ako ng konting review. Okay. So, ayun po. So, okay na tayo, Mami Mavs doon. Meron po kaming LMS. Ayan, may pang ano na kayo ng LMS. Wala lang, parang social lang. Ayun. So, needed na po ba na may laptop or desktop before po mag-enroll? Mami, actually, I advise po that you have a laptop or desktop po when you do the training kasi po mahirap po sa phone. Totoo lang po, baka mahirapan po kayo mag-access. From Mami Karen, pag hindi po nakapasa sa exam, pwede po ba mag-retake? So, ganito, Mamis. QuickBooks po kasi, QuickBooks certification has 3 attempts. So, may 3 kang chance to pass the QuickBooks online certification. So, dun sa 3 attempts na yon, kailangan po, after 3 attempts, dapat pasado ka na. QuickBooks po kasi has 6 sections. Yung 6 sections po na yon, yun po yung iti-take nyo, sasagutan nyo, tig mga 13 to 14 questions siya. So, you have 3 attempts to pass. Meron kang 3 beses. So, 3 beses ka lang pwedeng mag-take. Malalockout ka pag hindi, pag after that take, after the 3 attempts, malalockout ka po. You will have to wait 60 days in order for you to take it again. So, ayun po siya. Ayun. So, hanggat maaari po, no, laptop po or desktop pag mag-access po ng training. Mahirapan po kayo pag video. Wait lang po, inom lang po kong water. Water break na. Okay. Sorry. Usually po ba, yung clients nyo ay nasa graveyard shifts po? Wala bang clients yung oras same sa atin? Okay. So normally po, US clients are the ones po na graveyard. Kasi po ako, I have US client. So, graveyard kami, gabi. So, madalas po ay paggabi. But then, yes, we do have clients which are the same with our time, which is, ang hahanapin mo dapat, Australian client or UK. Kasi si UK naman pahapon siya. Mga tipong 3 p.m. to 12 midnight. Ganun yung sa oras natin. Pero si Australia po kasi, Australian clients, kasi nagkaroon din ako ng Australian clients. Australian client po kasi ang kauna-unahan kong client. So, ang oras po would be like 6 o'clock in the morning. Kung full time would be until 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So, it's same with our time here in the Philippines. Sila yung medyo, hindi ba actually talagang saktong-sakto kasi parang, I think we are late ba tayo? Yeah. may hours difference pa rin, pero 2 hours lang. So, yun yung medyo malapit talaga sa time zone natin. So, if you want to have a job or apply to a client na pang daytime, I would suggest Australian or UK. Okay. Kay Mommy Jacqueline, good evening po. May fee po ba ang zero at QuickBook exam? In our mastery course po, it's already included na po. So, kasama na po siya sa mastery course. So, wala po kayong babayaran o na fee para sa zero at QuickBooks exam. Okay. So, may nabasa ko dito, pwede pa po bang humabol yung March na training? Actually, Mami, nag-close na po yung training. So, ang naka-open po natin ngayon would be April batch. So, ang naka-open po for enrollment would be April batch. Nag-start na rin po kasi ang March. So, medyo baka mahirapan po kayo if maghahabol kasi we've already used our first week and we will have our live session na tomorrow. From Mami Cristel. Hi, Mami Cristel! Okay, may retake po ba kapag hindi nakapasa sa unang exam? Ayun nga po. Tulad po na sinabi ko kanina, we have 3 attempts po in passing the QuickBooks Online Certification. So, napakagandang deal na po nun. You have 3 attempts to pass. So, make use of, talaga. Kailangan mo talaga. Matutulungan po ba kami ng course to bring out or develop the analytical side namin? Medyo nangalawang na kasi. Okay, so, to be honest po kasi, our mastery course po kasi, ang coverage po kasi talaga niya would be bookkeeping basics and accounting basics. So, if you are saying po na if it could develop your, or refresh you, in terms of basic bookkeeping or accounting concepts and skills, then yes po. But then if you were asking me po if you could do like financial analysis, ibang na po kasi Mami yun. It's a different course and another course if ever. So hindi po siya kasama talaga yung analysis kasi po we are talking about here only about the basics of accounting. And then we have the online training for Xero and QuickBooks. So if you want just a refresher for the basic bookkeeping and basic accounting, then yes po. It will help you. Kasi refresher din po siya. Kasi po na-design po siya to refresh and to help those po na walang background talaga. Okay. So, do we still have, okay, yon. So, as you can see on your screens po, we have the link po for the enrollment, for the mastery course, for the April batch. It's still open. And again, our course is 3,500. And then, we have another question from Mami Weng. Okay lang po mag-enroll kahit hindi accounting graduate or walang background sa accounting. Okay. So, yes po, it's okay po to enroll even you are not an accounting graduate or wala po kayong background sa accounting. Kasi po, ang ating po mastery course is, siya po ay tailored para po doon sa mga mommies na wala pong background sa accounting at doon din po sa mga mommies na nangangailangan ng refresher po para sa accounting. So, malaking yung pong mga topics po. And even my February students po, they can attest to it. So, ewan ko lang po kung nabasa niyo po, may mga nag-post po ako ng mga estudyante na they learned a lot from the course. Especially, they also do not have any accounting background and they were able to learn from the course. So, ayun po. Hanapin niyo po yung mga post nila. Nandiyan lang po yun. Okay. Yes po, it's 3,500. Opo, per tao po yun. 3,500. Yes, so the course fee again will be 3,500 and the class will start on April 5 because tayo po ay Holy Week. So, April 5 yung classes. So, possible din po that the orientation will be on April 5 then. Okay, so, doon po sa nagtatanong ano pong kasama sa masterclass, again po, we have the accounting basics, the Xero and QuickBooks online training, certification exams, And also, there are bonus topics po within the course. Yes po, Mami Stella Romero, kita po kayo. So, pag nakapasa na po ba sa dalawang exams na yon, guaranteed na po ba na equipped na or ready to find a client? Aside that we already know the basis of accounting. Yes po, Mami. It's guaranteed po na equipped na kayo. Kasi po, ang QuickBooks po is, hindi po kasi binibigay basta-basta yung certification po na yon. Yun po kasi talaga yung pinaghihirapan. And it's really a proof that you are an expert or you already know or you know how to navigate or use that particular accounting software. So, definitely po, you will be very ready to find a client. Kapag po kayo ay, you have the basics of accounting, you learn the software, makakapag-apply na po kayo. Meron po bang free? Wala po kami. Meron po akong mga free webinars. Ito po, free po ito. Every, I think, twice a month nagkakaroon kami ng free webinar. But for the mastery course po, Mami, wala po kaming free. So, how to avail Zero and QuickBooks certificate po? Katulad po sinabi ko po, sa mastery course po, we have already po the Zero and QuickBooks. Kailangan nyo muna pong maipass yung exam before you could get the certificate. So for your inquiries po regarding the mastery course, you could email learn@fhmoms.com. So if you have questions po within the mastery course po, if you still need clarifications, just email po the email. The email would be learn@fhmoms.com for your inquiries po. So we still have ituturo. Nawala. Nasaan yung, may binabasa ko kanina, wala. Bilis. Okay, kung self-paced po yung course, when po kaya malalaman na dana kami? Sabay po ba lahat ng April batch? Self-paced po, ibig sabihin po kasi di ba, malalaman nyo po pag dana kayo when you reach the end of the module po. And definitely naman po, I will be there to guide you po. And from Mami Jenny, US po ba yung QuickBooks? Yes po, mostly po sa US ang ginagamit po ay QuickBooks. Sa weekly session naman po, the time po is depende po sa trainer niyo kung ano po yung i-advise niya na time na pwede po kayong mag-live session. So wala pong particular na oras, but based po sa trend, normally po Sunday siya. Kasi po yung February batch ko 8 p.m. Ngayon po kasi yung March batch ko naging 7. So yung sa April po, it depends pa po. We will see kung anong exact time po. But definitely Sunday po yan. What time po ang class if mag-enroll? Yun nga po, Mamis. Sorry po, paulit-ulit ako. Kasi po, tinatry ko po as much as possible ma-answer po yung mga questions ninyo. Yun nga po, Mami. Self-paced po tayo. Ibig pong sabihin, wala pong oras. Kahit po anong oras, pwede po ninyong i-access ang platform to watch and learn the videos there, the modules there. And then, how long po ang mastery course? So, normally po, it will take, ideally, it should be 4 months, but sometimes po, napapa-extend ng hanggang 5 weeks. Depende po sa kung gaano kabilis po ang mga estudyante bago matapos yung course. Anong mga bansa po ba nagamit ng QB and Zero? Seven US, UK, and Australia. QB po kasi worldwide po siya ginagamit, acceptable. Even po Zero, they are globally acceptable. So, it really depends po kung ano po ang preference po ng client. Not necessarily po na kapag US QuickBooks lang. So, it really depends po on what is required by the client, kung ano po na yung existing na ginagamit nila. Kailangan po ba, Mami, meron ng webcam kapag nag-enroll? Webcam. Okay lang naman po, Mami, kung wala pa. Basta po meron po kayong headset. Kasi hindi naman po necessarily kailangan naka-open ng webcam po kapag sa live session. How to pay po. So for those how to pay po, alam ko po they have also a posting on how to pay po. They put it different payment options sa posting nila. You just have to really go po to doon po sa post po ng mastery course and all the details po like how to pay po kasi we have pwede po kasing GCash, pwede rin pong bank transfer. So our bank po is Union Bank. So you just have to email lang po learn@fhmoms.com para maibigay po nila sa inyo yung bank details po and yung alam po kasi pwede kayo magbayad from GCash to bank. So, pwede din yun, in-accept din nila. And then, paano po yung gagamitin namin? QuickBooks and Zero System. Okay. So, this is a very good question. Thank you, Mami Alma, for asking this. So, ito yung question niya. Paano po yung gagamitin namin na QuickBooks and Zero System software? Kailangan po ba namin bumili? Medyo mahal kasi Paano po kami makakapag-hands-on? Thank you. Okay, so, hindi po siya, as the bookkeeper po kasi, hindi nyo po kailangan bumili ng software. Ang nagbabayad po niyan dapat is si client. So, ang gagawin po kasi ni client is, the client will invite you to their QuickBooks. So, all you have to do is just accept the invitation, and even though you don't have any subscription, you will be able to access po their QuickBooks. Kahit po ang inyong gamit po is hindi yung paid subscription, ma-access niyo pa rin po yung books ni client kasi sila po yung nagbabayad ng subscription. Ituturo din po ba sa course kung paano mag-transfer ng files from old software na gamit ni client to QuickBooks? Halimbawa po, gusto gumamit ni client ng QB. Okay, so we have also a lesson po sa mastery course, the importing of data po. So yes, matatakal po siya doon, but hindi po super, importation po, yes, madidiscuss po iyan. Yung halimbawa po is, they have an old system, and then you are going to transfer the files. Yes po, that would fall po under the importation data, or migration of data. Yes, it's included po in the mastery course po. Thank you po, Mami Rebelline, for asking that question. Okay, so... And pwede po ba mag-part-time kung may full-time work? Actually, Mami, it really depends on you po kung kaya po ninyo. Kayo po kasi ang makakasagot if kaya po ba nyong mag-multiple, kasi tawag po natin dyan parang mag-multiple clients po, tama? So, it really depends po on you if kaya mo mag-handle ng multiple clients. But again, I will tell you po, sometimes po kasi, kapag hindi nyo po kaya mag-handle talaga ng multiple clients, ang problema po kasi dyan, ang cons dyan, pwede po mag-suffer yung quality ng work. Kasi, mahirap po kasi talaga yung, sabi nga nila, you cannot serve two masters daw. But then, yung iba kasi talaga, sanay, believe talaga ako sa yung 5-6 client na sabay-sabay. But maybe it's because, it's like freelance, meaning free time at their own time. Pero kapag kasi halimbawa, 5 full-time na same na sabay-sabay, medyo mahirap yun. Paano pa pag CPA na, need po ba mag-enroll? To be honest po, Mami, yung po kasing CPA po natin kasi here in the Philippines, hindi po kasi siya masyado talagang nagagamit pagdating po sa international. Kasi iba po yung standard po for example po sa US, hindi po siya masyadong tinitignan yung certification po as a CPA. Hindi po siya masyado tinitingnan actually. You still can be a bookkeeper even though you're not a CPA, if you're not an accountancy graduate, as long as you know the basics of accounting. Tapos, actually po, I have students po who are CPAs. So, they did enroll because, it's not because they do not know po the basics. Siyempre, alam na agad nila yun kasi yun pinag-aralan nila eh. So, they did enroll, it's because ang habol kasi nila is to learn how to use the Zero and QuickBooks. So, ayun po, malaki din po yung natulong ng course sa kanila. Kasi ngayon, they already know how to use the software and they are now ready to apply on the jobs wherein they are very confident na magagamit nila yung software nang walang kahirap-hirap. Kasi dyan sila nag-iyakan sa sa importation. Ayun, tinakot. Pero hindi, maano yan. Ang kagandahan kasi dyan, once na nagawa mo kasi yung activity, ang sarap sa feeling eh. Kasi alam mo yun, na-achieve mo siya on your own. So, ayun. And, so far, parang may questions pa ba tayo? So, yun nga po, gusto ko lang din pong banggitin yung perks po as a student. Kasi once you enrolled, you have the access po kasi sa mga, kayo po yung kauna-unahang makakaalam if there are job postings po na related sa bookkeeping. Kayo po yung kauna-unahang makakaalam if we have, kasi kasama po kasi siya as your perks as a student. You will be the first one to know if we have job postings. Kayo po yung tatawagan para mag-apply kayo doon. And yung job matching, I know hindi pa yata siya possible as of now. Parang hindi pa po yata siya talaga possible pa. Pero I know they are thinking of doing that. And okay, so meron ba akong na-miss na questions? May mga questions pa ba sila? Let me see. Is the time during the course flexible? Yes po, Mami. That question is from Mami Suling Halago. Yes po, it's self-paced po. You can access this anytime po you want. You can access that. And what time po ang start ng course? Regarding po kasi sa oras po, katulad po sinabi ko, it's self-paced. Self-paced po. So, anytime po na gusto niyo i-access, pwede po. So, anyways, mukhang wala na rin yata tayong ibang questions. Ako naman ang magtatanong. Oh, sorry, meron pa pala ako nabasa dito. Kayo din po ba ang coach sa mga previous batch? Yes po. Feb batch po, I'm the coach. Yung ongoing po natin, actually, nag-start lang po ako ng Feb. So, pa-second batch ko pa lang po, March. So, bago pa lang po ako. So, meron na po akong Feb at saka March batch. So, ang sunod po is April. So, okay. So, ano pang requirements sa PC? Pwede po bang Windows 7? Pwede naman po, Mami, ang Windows 7 as long as 8 GB yung RAM. Anyway, so I still have two questions pa. Two winners pa. So, my question would be, so dalawa na lang yung winners para isang question na lang. So, what are the two accounting softwares that I have mentioned in my webinar? Go. Two winners po ang mananalo. So, let's see. So that will be our last two questions. So, wrong spelling, wrong ha! Wrong spelling, wrong. Dapat correct spelling. May nakita ko wrong spelling. Sayang. Okay. Let's see who's our winners. Two winners tayo. Two winners for this question. So, let's see. Anong sinabi ng mahiwagang bolang kristal? Pinapalaki nilang mga mata ko. Mami, wrong spelling! Natanggapin ba natin to? Hindi pwede sabi ko na wrong spelling wrong. Okay, so we have our first winner is Mommy Mariah Ay, parang nanalo na si Mommy kanina. Nanalo na siya kanina, di ba? Oo, nanalo na siya. Ito, nanalo na ka ikaw, Mommy, kanina ha. Bigay naman natin sa iba. Mommy Carmighty, congratulations. You're one of the winners for this question. Zero and QuickBooks po ang answer. So, another one, last one. So, sino kaya ang maswerteng mabubunot? Okay, congratulations, Mami Jania Familara. You won po free skill success course. So, sa lahat po ng winners natin, paki-wait lang po yung advice po na FH Moms. Magpo-post po sila on how you could claim po your free courses. Paki-wait lang po kasi minsan po medyo madami lang pong naka-line up kasi marami po tayong webinars everyday. So everyday din po, laging may mga nananalo ng free course. So paki-wait lang po yung turn po ninyo na matawagan po or ma-inform po kayo. Normally po kasi magpo-post po sila on how you will claim your free courses. Anyway, so thank you so much po for today. I'm so happy that everyone yun, ipopost sa page naman yung winner. So wait nyo lang pong makita. Pag nakita nyo po yung name nyo, ayun na po yung time na pwede nyo na pong i-claim yung prizes ninyo. So ibibigay rin po sa inyo yung instructions on how to claim. So, I just want to say thank you so much po for spending your Saturday evening with me. And I am looking forward po sa susunod nating webinar. Sana po umattend po ulit kayo sa susunod ko pong webinar. So, thank you so much and have a happy Saturday evening. God bless everyone. Bye!
Naghahanap ka ba ng course na topic focus at pwede mong aralin sa sarili mong oras? FH Moms now offers short courses. For only 1,500 pesos per course, pwede mo nang aralin ng iyong course of choice at your own time, at your own pace. At sa loob ng 1 taon simula na mag-enroll ka, meron kang access sa course materials. Sigurado ring makakakuha ka ng Certificate of Completion upon your request. How to enroll to our short courses? First, choose from the following courses: Basic Project Management, Content Writing 101, Fundamentals of Podcasting, English Proficiency and ESL Online Teaching. You can check the outline of each course using these links. Settle your payment. You can pay through GCash, bank transfer, or any payment channel that has a transfer to bank feature. Click the link of the enrollment form of your chosen course and fill out the necessary details. And lastly, wait for 48 hours to receive your confirmation and course access. Thank you for always choosing FH Moms. Enroll now!
And then, nung nag-decide na ako mag-enroll sa course ng FH Mom, doon ko na find out na ang laki pala talaga ng diferensya. Kasi, mas marami kang matututunan talaga. Wala pa sa 1/4 yung matututunan mo dun sa free, sa matututunan mo dun sa courses ng FH Mom. Kasi, iti-train ka na nila sa mismong actual tool na gagamitin mo sa mismong trabaho. Tsaka halimbawa, ituro man nila sa iyo yung isang tools, medyo similar na rin yung ibang mga tools. So, parang kahit yung client mo, ibang tools yung ginagamit niya, mas mananabigate mo na rin kasi parang familiar ka na dun sa mga ginagamit. Ang laki ng naitulong niya kasi instead na mangangapa ka pa kapag nakakuha ka ng client, nangyayari, prepared ka na. Kumbaga, well-equipped ka na. So, hindi yung magiging gastos mo dun sa mga courses, hindi siya technically gastos eh. Investment mo siya sa future mo, sa career mo as home base. Kasi the more na marami kang skills na natututunan, the more na nalalaki yung potential income mo kasi the more nararami yung client na pwede mo ma-handle.